Friends, have you ever longed for the purity and simplicity of Eden, that perfect connection with God, a life of complete trust and holiness? That's the standard God is calling His church back to today. We're living in solemn times, and God's judgment is about to begin, starting right here with His own house. How can we stand in the final crisis if we are not purified and refined? This isn't about being perfect on our own, but about allowing God to work a genuine revival and reformation in our hearts. It's about letting go of worldly compromises and returning to a simple, wholehearted devotion. God is preparing a remnant people, sealed and ready for His kingdom. Let's be part of that group, fully surrendered and reflecting His character. Let's pray for that Edenic restoration in our church and in our lives. Thanks for watching.